Hello everyone, welcome to MindBlend. To become a positive and likable person, avoid bad habits that can affect your social standing. Introspect to identify and correct negative habits you may have, as they not only distance you from friends but also make it difficult to receive help when you need it. Here are 10 bad habits that make you disliked by others. 1. Selfishness. Reconsider if your attention is too focused on yourself rather than others. Do you always dominate thoughts when facing problems? If so, it's time to change. Many people are unaware of these negative tendencies in themselves. 2. Negative thinking. Others dislike pessimism. Constantly complaining in front of friends or on social media can make others uncomfortable. Maintaining a pessimistic attitude can also make people see you as uninspired and lacking positivity. Moreover, this behavior can increase stress levels and the risk of depression. 3. Focus on appearance. The concept of brain, beauty, and behavior is often used in beauty contests to assess overall beauty. It's important not to judge someone solely based on appearance, but also to appreciate their intelligence and behavior. Getting to know others better is a crucial step to avoid shallow judgments. 4. Unreliability. When you need help, your friends are ready to assist with the problems you're facing. However, in return, you may disappear and act irresponsibly when they need support. Let's change your behavior and actively engage when your friends need you. 5. Unwillingness to lose. When your friend takes pride in saving a portion of their income, responding by saving an even larger amount may create tension. Appreciate their achievements and recognize their hard work. What seems simple to you may not be easy for them. 6. Hostility towards friends. If you constantly highlight small mistakes made by your friends, there may be something to reconsider within yourself. As friends, we should help and support each other, not betray or slander. Remember, our actions will have consequences, either good or bad. Be careful in your actions. 7. Dishonesty. When you try not to tell the truth even once, the desire to continue doing so may arise. If you continue to ignore this bad habit, you'll become accustomed to lying in various situations. While everything may seem fine to you, your friends may not know if they can trust you. 8. Acting like a boss. In friendships, each individual has an equal role. However, if you feel entitled to make decisions about everything, your friends may slowly distance themselves. Additionally, no one likes commands, especially if delivered in an unpleasant manner. 9. Feeling the most important. You might feel jealous when your friends go to the mall together and share selfies on social media without inviting you. However, remember that this action doesn't mean they consider you unimportant. They are still your friends, and your presence or absence does not directly affect their lives. 10. Being rude. If your attitude is rude, such as saying hurtful words to others or belittling your friends, it indicates a lack of attractiveness. We don't have to agree with everyone's opinions, but if you initiate conflicts and harm others, it reveals your true personality. Here are the 10 bad habits that make you disliked by others. If you enjoy videos like this, don't hesitate to like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss the next interesting video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.